Progress billing for a residential electrical installation project can be approached using the percentage of completion method. The steps involved are: firstly, identify the project scope. Determine the total amount of work involved in the project. This includes materials, labor, and other expenses. Secondly, establish progress milestones. Define specific milestones that represent the completion of major phases of the project. For example, these could be foundation work, such as conduit installation, rough-in, such as wiring rough-in, and trim-out, such as fixture installation. Thirdly, assign percentage weights. Determine the relative importance of each milestone based on its contribution to the overall project completion. For example, foundation work might be assigned 20%, rough-in 40%, and trim-out 40%. To calculate the progress billing for a specific milestone, firstly determine the percentage of completion. Estimate the percentage of the milestone that has been completed. For example, if 50% of the foundation work is installed, the percentage of completion for this milestone is 50%. Secondly, multiply by the assigned percentage weight. Multiply the percentage of completion by the assigned percentage weight for the milestone. For example, for the foundation work, this would be 50% completion multiplied by 20% weight, which equals 10%. Thirdly, calculate the progress billing. Multiply the result by the total project amount. For example, if the total project cost is $10,000, then 10% multiplied by $10,000 equals $1,000. Here is an example table. Milestone percentage weight, progress billing percentage. Foundation work 20%, 10%. Rough-in 40%, 20%. Trim-out 40%, 20%. Total 100%, 50%. Please note that the percentages in the sample table are for illustrative purposes only and should be adjusted based on the specific project. Here are some helpful tips. Firstly, use a detailed scope of work to ensure that all work is accounted for. Secondly, track progress regularly and document milestones achieved. Thirdly, communicate progress and billing expectations clearly with the client. Fourthly, review and adjust the progress billing schedule as the project progresses to account for any changes or delays.